Southern California. I don't even know if I got in there. And I'm in Gary's garden. And today, all we're going to do is a simple banana harvest. What type of banana is this?
This is a Goldfinger.
What was your first variety of bananas you bought? You remember?
Dwarf Cavendish.
That was your first one?
Yep.
Now, we bought this or somebody gave this to you?
No, I bought this. So I bought 2 plants from CPG in Norwalk, California.
Oh, I remember that. Okay. And then you bought another variety?
Yeah, then I got the one next to me is the Manzano, and I got those from Home Depot. I bought a plant from Home Depot.
Is that the one you bought once that didn't have a label?
No, that was the Dwarf Cavendish, which is the short one over there.
So how many variety of bananas do you have down here?
I've got 3 normal bananas and 1 plantain. So I've got 4 types, I guess.
The wood chip guy gave you that, right? You traded some stuff?
Yeah, the wood chip truck driver gave me the plantain. I swapped him some plantains for some sweet potato, purple sweet potato.
Oh, that was a cool swap. Okay, so now I'm going to try to walk around here. Let me get around because this is like a jungle back here. All right, now I see 2 banana. Are these 2 separate plants?
No, this is coming from the same mother plant. This one that I'm going to harvest is wrapped around the other one. Normally,
okay, let me pan down for a minute. Okay, this one's wrapped around. Oh, okay,
yeah.
It looks like 2 on the same plant.
So normally I would not use a ladder to harvest them anymore. I would cut it down at ground level and then lower it down. But because it's wrapped around, I can't do that. So I'm going to have to harvest them on the ladder.
Okay, so what's the other banana that's growing there? Is that a different type?
No, that's Goldfinger too. That's just
a different plant.
A different stem. Yeah, that's a younger stem. So this one's ripe, and this one will be another couple of months.
So now on the ripe one, they're already yellow. I'm trying to lean over and see. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, they're already yellow. I should have harvested them days ago because they're starting to be overripe again. But I needed to get the ladder down here so I could get to them.
I see you got your helper down here today. Does she eat bananas?
Yeah.
Elsie.
Elsie will eat bananas.
Elsie, do you eat bananas? She says, I eat bananas. Okay, so now you've got to trim everything away to get to it. That's really cool. How many bananas do you think are on that?
Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm going to say 50 plus, 50 to 60.
Oh. They look pretty big too.
Yeah, they're a decent size for where we live.
Well, usually you bring them in and they're small, aren't they? They got a good size.
These got a good size, and the leaves I just drop in place.
So all the leaves get composted right under the banana plants. Very similar to papaya. This is one tall plant. This is what, 15 feet tall.
Yeah, this would be about 15 feet. These are actually a nice shorter variety because some of the other varieties get a lot taller. And sometimes you can just harvest them at ground level because they may only be this tall. So this is a good variety for our area. It's a cool weather banana, so it doesn't need a lot of heat. Yeah, some of the bananas are starting to fall off already.
When they fall, is the dog going to eat them?
She might.
So usually you're not on a ladder when you do this.
Normally I'm not on a ladder. Okay. I prefer to harvest them on the ground now.
I prefer to have you on the ground these days too, so.
But I'll just clear these out of the way. Now I can get to the bunch and I can use my saw just to cut through it. And that's it.
Oh, it's it? It's off?
Yep. Now...
Oh no, they're falling.
Yep,
you should have put
falling.
a bucket there. All right, so we'll collect the ones that fall. No big deal.
Yeah, they're just landing on clean wood chips and banana leaves.
Beautiful. Let me get around the bananas. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I definitely should have harvested them maybe 5 days ago.
So basically, I've got to think about freezing these pretty quick, a lot of them.
What are you looking
waiting.
at? What are you looking at? Hey?
Oh, wait a minute, because I'm not sure.
That's for you.
Nope, she's not in the mood. Maybe she'll get it later.
I know Ike likes them, so...
Nope, she's not sure. Let's see if I can get in there and see. Wow, look at that. Really cool. Well, just figured I'd come down here and let everybody see what you're doing. That is gorgeous. Look at all those. I can just pull it off and just eat it.
Yep.
Of course, now I got to peel it. I don't want to step on the banana that's here. You can bring it to Ike.
Yeah. Ike, our other healer, really likes the bananas.
She usually eats things. She's not sure, probably.
Yeah, I'm not sure why she's not taking one today.
Mmm. It's so good.
And anything like that just goes back there.
Basically, everything goes back.
Yep.
You got a banana here. You're going to bring that to Ike?
Yeah, I'll give it to Ike. Elsie.
No, I was like, I don't want that.
Yeah. What, you been fussy today?
That's right. It's like Molly. Kitty eats the broccoli Molly wants, and she puts it in her mouth, and you see the tongue just push it back out. So I'm eating the banana, throw the skin back underneath, right?
Yeah, just drop it anywhere. So that's, I'm going to say that's about 20 pounds of bananas.
Wow. They're really good. Oh my gosh, are they good. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Beautiful bananas. Oh, look at all the banana trees. Look at, I know they're not trees, they're plants. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And they'll really green up in the spring too. I think they've got some weather damage, don't they?
Yeah.
We had a lot of wind.
We had a lot of wind, so they got blown around a bit. They're not doing too bad in the cooler weather. We've been reasonably warm, but they do like the warmer weather. And like I said, the varieties that I've chosen are cooler weather bananas. They do better in our climate, which is zone 10A.
So you have 4 different types.
4 different types.
And one's a plantain, though.
And one's a plantain.
Really cool. Really nice. And then once you planted them, you just keep getting more and more baby plants now, because they see, like, you call them pups, I guess. They just keep coming up.
Yeah, they just keep coming up. They cut, once the stem's fruited, it's no longer useful to the plant, so I cut them down at ground level and they just rot away. And at some point I'll have a circle in the center, and that's where I'll be able to compost. So this will be a banana circle. Right now I'm composting around it, but as it starts to move out, I can just drop the compost and the cuttings in the center of it.
So that's what I was going to say. It's amazing. The plant is absolutely gorgeous, but once it fruits, it's on its way out. It won't grow anymore, right? That's the end of it?
One stem will produce one bunch of fruit, and once that's done, you just trim it down, and then the growth will be sent to the newer stems.
Beautiful. All right. So I guess that's it. We already ate what we grew, so... And I think it's time for a banana cake. You want a banana cake?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, maybe I'll make a banana cake. With that, everybody, have a wonderful day.
And don't forget to eat what you grow.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Kitty, you want a banana? Was that good? I don't know if you want any more. Yeah, I should have brought you down to do the bananas.